In Australia, there are over 100,000 people without easy access to hot, usable water. But there is help at hand. What started as a crazy idea in 2014 to put 2 washing machines and dryers into a van has become a huge success, helping people all over Australia.
My name's Marchesi and I'm the co-founder of Orange Sky Australia. Lucas and I started Orange Sky 3 years ago here in Brisbane with a really simple idea to wash and dry our homeless friends' clothes for free. Never did we think that we'd stumble on something that hadn't been done before, a world first, and something that really connected the community, reduced transmission of really bad diseases, but most importantly and most simply improve the lives of others.
Orange Sky vans provide hot showers and do 5.8 tonnes of laundry every week. However, just as important are the number of positive connections created too.
What Lucas and I realised very early on is that washing takes time, and during that time there's nothing to do except sit down and have a chat. The most important things that our vans carry around aren't the showers, aren't the washing machines, they're actually orange chairs that foster really positive and genuine conversations. And through having a really simple thing like a chat, we can change someone's life.
Water Corporation and co-supporter Lottie West are proud to bring WA's first hybrid shower and laundry van to the heart of our community.